Filipina tomorrow.
Hi guys, my first time here in Las Vegas was in 2012 and this is now my second time. I remember I didn't get to visit before downtown Las Vegas. Welcome to my channel, Ernesto Explores. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to stay abreast of my videos. When I think of Las Vegas, I think of the frenetic, shoulder-to-shoulder, opulent, delightfully decadent 2.5-mile stretch of real estate known simply as the Strip. Downtown Las Vegas, the birthplace of it all, does not come to mind. Here's the parking here in downtown Las Vegas. My first time here. I'm gonna park my car. It's my first time here in downtown Las Vegas. Downtown Las Vegas, also known as Vintage Vegas, which is actually in Las Vegas, unlike most of the Strip, has a kind of an old-time Wild West feel to it which gives it a flavor and an allure all its own. The Fremont Street Experience is where most visitors begin and end their exploration. Did you know that Fremont Street is named in honor of explorer John Charles Fremont? But wandering around the area and through the older casinos has its own rewards. The Fremont Street Experience is probably the central highlight of the downtown area and is free. It's a covered 4-block-long pedestrian mall crammed full of restaurants, bars, casinos, souvenir shops, and entertainment. Its canopy is the world's largest video screen, and regularly scheduled evening Viva Vision light shows are fun, free, and definitely worth a visit. It reportedly has 12.5 million lights and 550,000 watts of sound. Just look up. By the way, there are buskers galore, but watch out. If you want to take a picture, it will cost you.
Do you know Manny Pacquiao? Oh, okay.
Yes, we used to watch his fights all the time. I'm Filipino.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
So you know him?
Yeah,
I
of
watched
course.
him. I was on the floor.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Yeah. So he's the reason why I came here. He fought already. He lost. But what can you say? He lost. And then he might be his last one. What's your name? Hi. Yeah. You're half Filipino or so?
I'm Filipina Chamora.
Oh, what's your name? Wow. Oh, okay. That's
Yeah. Well, then as soon as the time is done, we'll take a picture together, okay? Okay.
He's going on a trip around the country, all 50 states.
There's the price is right. The price is right. See, beautiful. Price is right. Price is right.
I'm joking. Hey, yeah. Hey, I said, I'm like, baby, if you give it to me, if you give it to me, I give it to you. One more time, everybody, come on. Baby, if you give it to me, I give it to you. Whatever you want, you know I got it, baby, if you give it to me. Okay, married couple. Listen.
I'm here in the store and I bought this. I'm buying this Las Vegas Strip picture. Also, I'm gonna buy this. Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas style. Yeah, I'll buy one.
This is my rental car, and look at their wall. They have a nice mural of welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas.
Las